Hello, everyone. Thanks for attending this presentation. I'm going to talk about the microgrid controller solution that we are implementing for an Amazon's warehouse at a location in Bangalore, India, in collaboration with ETAP. Myself, Devendra Vishwakarma. I'm based out of Dallas, Texas in USA, and I'm the VP and Chief Solutions Architect for L&T Power Transmission and Distribution, LTTS in USA, based out of USA. Let's get started with that. As a background to this particular project, L&T is the prime contractor for this project, and ETAP is our technology provider or technology partner, where they are providing the entire microgrid solution, which is the microgrid controller and the SCADA systems for this particular solution. And we'll be talking in the context of this project. Just an overview of L&T. What is L&T? What are the establishments, growth and the innovation in the innovation area? So L&T started a little over 80 years by two Danish engineers in India in 1938 by Mr. Larsen and Tugro. And ever since then, it has grown many folds in various aspects. We are proud to be one the largest infrastructure services and construction and engineering company for India. And we have solutions and offerings in various segments, all the way from services, products to the projects. And we have many companies and groups which are providing these solutions, all the way from the IT services, engineering, R&D, to power transmission distribution. That's where I belong to. Aerospace, defense, machinery, industrial, heavy engineering, electrical and automation, and so on and so forth. What you will notice over here is that we have grown many folds in last 10 years, where in financial year 2010, we were $9.8 billion. And today we are, roughly speaking, $22 billion company from the revenue perspective. There are various accolades we got from industry publications, as well as from the various publications like Economics Times of India, Forbes, Business Worlds, and others, where we have been nominated and named as the most sustainable companies and one of the top 500 companies in India. We have over 8 decades of this engineering excellence, and some of those projects to highlight here are we have built the Abu Dhabi International Airport, India's first Mars mission. We were part of it, provided excellent engineering services for that. India's first monorail system, as well as a refinery reactor in the USA we have supplied from India. L&T has a very specific and dedicated microgrid initiative, and that's where we have partnered with ETAP. ETAP being one of the prime supplier, as well as one of the well-known entity across the world in the space of planning and operations tools and technologies. So some of those projects which are highlighted here are, so we are proud of having the feat of India's largest, first largest solar microgrid project, where which we implemented in the state of Bihar in India for the rural electrification program, where we have electrified 236 villages. There are 370 plus microgrid systems we implemented as part of that project. Almost 13 megawatt peak of solar, and it does constitute 12,000 plus standalone systems with an 85 megawatt hour of storage. It resulted in big deferral of T&D infrastructure to electrify these rural villages. We have implemented and microgrid at our own campus as well, L&T campus in India. And we have published in the microgrid analysis and case studies report by California Energy Commission in 2018 on this particular project. And also we have implemented a solar plus storage system, which is 95 kWp and 1440 kilowatt hour storage system at our facility in Mumbai in India. With that, let's get into the project what we are working with ETAP specifically for this particular presentation, which is for an microgrid solution for Amazon's warehouse in Bangalore, India. So this project, the highlights are, the interconnection is a 11 kV grid supply. It does has an existing 900 kW clean max PV solar with the net metering to the BESCOM, which is the local utility in Bangalore. It has an existing 100 kW of Hawk PV solar, a base of 100 kilowatt and 150 kilowatt hour base system. And there will be a new base system which will be implemented by L&T. L&T has a base offering. And for this particular project, we are going to implement 900 kilowatt hour battery system base. And then there are 3 diesel generators of 1250 kV. The load, when we talk about, there are 350 kW chiller loads for this warehouse, as well as 800 kilowatt of maximum peak loading is envisaged for this site. In this, the scope of work is integration with the existing solar base, new base system, as well as an LT panel, electrical LT panel. The warehouse control panel setup, which does include both IT hardware and software, implementation of SCADA software, implementation of microgrid controller and logics, point-to-point testing, and it needs to provide hardware and software warranty up to 5 years from the date of go live of this particular solution. And that's where the breadth and depth of our partnership with ETAP is highlighted, where the base is provided by L&T, but the SCADA system, the control panel setup, which is IT hardware and software, the SCADA, and point-to-point testing, microgrid controller and logics, they are provided by ETAP. This is the architecture for the Amazon's microgrid controller project, where you can see from the bottom up, we have the Hawk AI controller. We are integrating the Johnson Controls building management system, CleanMax controller, solar PV inverters. There is an existing base system, as I mentioned in the previous slide. Existing LT panels are there. Those needs to be integrated. And the new systems which are bringing on the table, which is the FFS, BMS, HVAC, and so on and so forth. Switchgear relay and protection panel, that goes without saying for the microgrid project. They are all integrated via an RTU that, and we acquire the data via that RTU, which is an ETAP system. We integrate that with ETAP microgrid controller using IEC 104 DNP 3.2 protocol, and also with the ETAP real-time server-based workstation for the SCADA purpose, for again using the DNP3 or IEC 104 protocols, depending on different data set. And then it does provide the web HMI for the operators, and then it does has the integration with the third-party systems, which are existing systems or the future system whenever they are going to be implemented. And that integration will be via the OPC DA 2.0A protocol. From the notification and the reporting purposes, it does integrate with the email server so that the operational reports as well as the notification can be sent via the email to the subscribed users. This is the battery container architecture which L&T is supplying for this particular project. And it does has the on the left hand side, the BESS system where the battery packs are there, PLC based energy, the PCS and the battery energy management system, and the ESS controller. They are all in the container for that BESS system, which is the 900 kW, 900 kWh BESS system. They are hardwired to the data concentrator, and the rest of the architecture is the same what I described in the previous slide. So what are we doing as part of collaboration for this particular project? So L&T ECC, which I represent, is providing a new BESS system, as I mentioned. We are also providing the systems integration. That systems integration is with the external systems, third-party systems, as well as with the systems like the JCI's BMS system and other solutions which are there on the site. And also we are the overall program manager, management team. ETAP is providing the entire microgrid solution, which is the control panel setup, both SCADA as well as the microgrid controller RTUs, they are supplied by ETAP. IT hardware and software is also provided by ETAP. PLC data concentrator, as well as the control and monitoring of the existing solar, existing BESS, and new BESS system. So this is a very good example, or I would say a success story, how L&T and ETAP collaborated and are working on a brownfield microgrid solution where there are existing systems, DERs, and the new DERs which needs to be integrated, as well as the diesel generators. And we are on the journey of implementing a very successful industrial microgrid solution for Amazon. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time.